Listen up. What if I told you that some of the richest entrepreneurs in the world started with literally no money? No investors, no rich parents, no fancy degrees, just a crazy idea and unstoppable action. Most people never start a business because they think money is the problem. But the truth is, fear is the problem. Fear of looking stupid, fear of failing, fear of people judging them. If you're broke but hungry for success, this message is for you. Stay till the end because I'm going to give you a simple blueprint to turn your phone into a business machine. Let me tell you a crazy story. There was a kid with no money, no factory, and no business background. He tasted his grandma's homemade jam and thought, I can sell this. People laughed at him. Factories rejected him. Supermarkets ignored him. But he didn't quit. He improved the recipe, he improved the packaging, he built a brand. And one day, he sold tens of thousands of jars in a single day. He became a millionaire as a teenager. The lesson is simple. Businesses don't start with money. They start with madness, courage, and obsession. Right now, you already have everything you need. You have a phone, you have internet, you have skills, you have time, and you have a brain that can create value. Your phone is a global shop. Your Wi-Fi is a money highway. You don't need an office, you don't need employees, you don't need a big investment. All you need is to solve a problem. Look around. People need video editors. People need social media managers. People need tutoring. Businesses need marketing. Creators need AI content. Find a problem. Sell the solution. That's business. But don't build in silence. Talk to people. Ask them, would you pay for this? If they say yes, you're on the right track. If they say no, change the idea. Validation is proof that people will give you money. Your first product will not be perfect. Your first video will be cringe. Your first client will be cheap. So what? Nike didn't start with Air Jordans. Apple didn't start with the iPhone. Every empire started messy. Start ugly. Improve fast. Perfection is just procrastination in a fancy suit. No money? Use free platforms. YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Fiverr, Upwork, Etsy. You can build a global business from your bedroom. This is gangster capitalism. And don't trade your time forever. Turn your skills into digital products. Courses, templates, presets, ebooks, AI prompts, coaching. Digital products mean unlimited copies and zero inventory. That's billionaire math. Listen carefully. The biggest enemy is not money. The biggest enemy is your mindset. People say, I'll start when I have money. Entrepreneurs say, I'll start so I can get money. Action first, cash later. What if I told you the business idea that will make you rich is already in your head right now? You're just scared to post, scared to sell, scared to fail. But failure is just the tuition fee for success. Start today. Start broke. Start scared. Just start. If you're serious about escaping the 9-to-5 trap, hit the like button and subscribe. Comment below and tell me what business you would start with zero money. I reply to real hustlers only. Stay hungry, stay dangerous. See you in the next video.